What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we got a complete mess here. This is literally last minute stuff. So I'm supposed to leave to Orlando tomorrow evening, and by the time you guys see this video, hopefully everything is done on the car. So let me just show you what's going on the car right now. So today's video is pretty much a carbon fiber overload. So we got the side skirt extensions right here. We got one over there. Oh yeah, so you guys can see we got some 437Ms that are gonna go in the car. They're not the greatest in the greatest shape. I am gonna have to get them redone, but that's okay. I'm honestly not one to go for black wheels, but obviously they're gonna fit better than those stock wheels. And I've always been a fan. I really wanted some 513Ms, but these are gonna have to do. I might just get them powder coated when we get back, or paint them myself in either silver, slightly like a slight medium gray, well, light to medium gray, not slight, or I was thinking white. I've never seen any white 537Ms, 437Ms, so I might try to Photoshop them if I can, but for now we're gonna rock them black. Obviously the black is gonna look good with this color as well, so we're gonna stick with the black. We're gonna throw those on, gonna rock them for the show, come back and try to switch it up, clean them up, because like I said, the paint's not in the best condition. So anyways, here we got the carbon fiber diffuser that's gonna go on the rear, and here we got the P-lip, and then here we have the rear bumper extension. So we do have the mirror caps that are gonna go on the car as well. I have those in the trunk. So I really don't have the time to sit here and kind of just walk you guys through over, and I really do not want to do that, because like walking you guys through the process, because I've done this plenty of times before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it, work on the car, show you guys the results. See, this is how. I'm not gonna do a time lapse either, because I know you guys do not want to see that. So here we have it. I'm also gonna be test fitting the wheels tonight, so just to kind of see where the car sits and everything, and just kind of work on that a little bit again tomorrow morning. So we got no side skirt extensions, no nothing, pretty bare. So hopefully all this transforms it. I'm supposed to be picking up the bumper tomorrow morning and throwing it on there, so I'm hoping that, fingers crossed, that the paint matches. If it doesn't match, we're gonna have to roll with it. We got no choice. We're gonna drive like that. If it's off by a little bit, and then we'll, you know, get it taken care of when we return. But everything should be pretty much straightforward. I'm not gonna be able to install all the parts on it, but it's okay. But anyways, that's enough talking. So let me go ahead and get to work, and I'll show you guys the results. So here we have the side skirt extensions on the car now. I think these are a little bit more aggressive than the regular M Performance style. I think the M Performance just kind of come out like this and then kind of go out, and then they slowly work their way back inside over here. So I think that's how they are, at least the F30s. That's how the design is for the M Performance. These I might be wrong, but you guys can correct me. But I do like how they stick out a little bit further out on this end. So it just kind of gives it a little bit more an aggressive look. So now that these are on, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rear bumper extensions. So it is day 2 of this carbon fiber install, and almost all the people that I know, they're either already in Orlando or are almost there. So, and I'm still in North Carolina. It's Thursday, 4 o'clock in the evening, and I gotta get this shit done. So we're supposed to be leaving sometime tonight. It's you know, good thing is we're gonna stop in Georgia. Look, I'm all oily, sweaty. Ugh. But yeah, so we got the bumper back. It's not perfect. It's gonna have to get repainted. Some of the stuff is gonna have to get fixed, but at this point it's in better condition than when I had it, or when I got the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw on the lip on here, get everything situated, throw the bumper back on. So once I get everything situated, I'll show you guys how the car looks. I'll actually go ahead and give you guys a quick little walk around right now. So as you guys can see, we got the mirror caps on there. We got the side skirt extensions that we did. I did the rear bumper extensions, and I was gonna do the carbon fiber rear diffuser, but I was actually struggling with it, and I decided not to put it on. Hopefully we can still got some daylight by the time I'm done, and I can show you guys the end result. Alright, so now it's time to prep the lip. Obviously I've done this before, but just to go over it in case you guys are installing a P-lip, what you want to do is put bolts all the way across through these holes, and then once you're done with that, you're also going to have double-sided tape going all the way across the whole lip. And then on top of that, you're going to need, or I would recommend, actually I don't recommend it, I mean I do recommend it, and you're going to need it. You're going to put a self-tapping screw here, 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 and so it'd be 1, 2, 3, and then maybe depending how it feels over here. I don't think you need it over there, but most importantly it's going to be in the middle, so you guys can kind of be the judge. I'm just going to do one here, here, and here, see how it feels, and if it's needed then I'll put one maybe on this side and one on this side, just because I've seen a lot of P-lips fail because people just go by the holes that are in there and then that's all they do. Over time, so much air getting pushed onto the lip causes the lip to go downwards, and then if your car is, even if your car is not that low, with all that air is gonna rip off and then you're gonna be out of a lip. So don't cheap out on screws. It doesn't matter if you put holes in your bumper, nobody's ever gonna see it, if you want to keep your lip alive. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this right here because I'm actually running way behind. I needed to leave by 6 o'clock. Well, I was trying to leave by 6, but here's a quick look of the car. Obviously I will make a different video showing you guys a better view of it, but this is going to be the first video that I'm going to be putting out. Obviously you guys that are at the show have already seen it, and the car's not perfect, but it does have some imperfections. But at the same time, I've had this car for only currently now it's almost 4 days, so I've had this thing for 4 days and I was able to do a lot. So it's got some minor imperfections that once I get back from the show I'm going to dial in to my liking. Obviously the wheels are going to be redone. I'm planning on a different hood and have that repainted. Some body work obviously in the rear, you guys already know about that, but all that's going to be taken care of. The car is going to be in better conditions after this show, or probably over time, once you guys see this video, over time is going to get a little bit better. I got some plans for this car, but so far, I mean, I'm super happy with the way that the car came out. Just like I said, very minor details that I need to change out. The lip, I like it. It's aggressive, and I was actually looking at an E92 M3 and I was trying to get the GT4 lip just because I like the way that it looks. So I plan on kind of trying to maybe keep this as a track look right now with the black wheels until I get bored. I'm not really a black wheel person. I just figured they looked okay when I saw them online, but they're terrible in person. Just giving my honest opinion, whoever painted these wheels must have been blindfolded, or drunk. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like the outcome of the car so far, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.